You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Character name from One Piece if you want to learn more names from different animes, manga series, Japanese, and One Piece as well. Make sure to stay tuned to the channel, loads to learn here. In Japanese, it is said as Kuroobi, 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 a long R sound, Kuroobi. So in English, you can say it as Kuroobi, Kuroobi. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.